Hi everyone, my name is Kate Krause and I have created a Minecraft model of DNA as part of my Master of Arts in Educational Technology program at Michigan State University. I believe that I could use Minecraft in my biology classrooms to assess students' knowledge of the structure of DNA. In this screencast, I will first show the sample DNA model I have created in Minecraft. Next, I will discuss how I would use Minecraft as an assessment tool in my classroom. In Minecraft, I have created an information block to inform the viewer of what they are looking at. This information block reads, "Welcome to my DNA Minecraft model. Travel around to the signs to learn more about the structure of the DNA molecule." I created the DNA molecule by using different colored blocks to represent the different parts of the molecule, namely the phosphate groups, pentose sugars, and nitrogen bases. The yellow blocks represent the phosphate groups, as you can see here, and the green blocks, as you can see here, represent the pentose or 5-carbon sugars. These two components make up the sides or backbone of the DNA molecule. So you can see them along the side here and also along the other side there. In the center of the DNA molecule, there are 4 different nitrogen bases. I'm going to go above so that we can see it from a top view. Back a little bit. Perfect. Now you can see blue, red, black, and white blocks in the middle of the DNA molecule. These represent the 4 different nitrogen bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, that make up the code of the DNA molecule and determine particular traits in an organism. My blue blocks represent the adenine bases, which always pair with thymine bases, shown in red, across the DNA double helix. My black blocks represent guanine bases, which always pair with cytosine bases, shown in white, across the DNA double helix. Now the fences represent hydrogen bonds, and there's a little sign here to tell you that, and hydrogen bonds are used to connect complementary bases across our DNA double helix. I have included signs on each component of the DNA molecule to identify that component for the viewer. I have also included a sign to describe the overall structure of the DNA molecule. Let's head to that one now. And, whoops. Here is that sign that I was just describing. So it tells us that the overall structure of the DNA molecule is a double helix, and that normally looks like a winding staircase. My model does look a little bit more like a ladder because it's in 2 dimensions, but it still has some of the same basic features. I imagine that some of my students could create a much better 3D model in Minecraft that looks very similar to Watson and Crick's original model, but I'm not quite there yet with my Minecraft skills. Now, in my biology classrooms, I could use Minecraft to assess my students' knowledge of the structure of DNA by asking them to build a DNA molecule and label it with signs like I have. I think this would allow students to depict DNA in a way that they had not previously seen in diagrams in their book or notes. By actually building the DNA, rather than simply labeling a pre-created image of DNA, they may come to a better understanding of how the different components connect to one another. As such, this would be both an assessment of learning and an assessment as learning. After building their models, receiving feedback, and having the opportunity to revise their work, students would be evaluated based on the degree to which they had created a DNA model that was clearly explained through signs and showed correct connections between components. I hope you enjoyed learning about my DNA Minecraft model and its potential applications for assessment in the biology classroom. Thank you.